Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all students? Today we are going to have our English lecture number 15 for 10th class. In this lecture we will again discuss the exercise of the lesson of the poem Try Again. Students, in the previous lecture we have discussed some parts of the exercise and today we will do the remaining parts. Students, we have discussed the pronoun. So here is another exercise for pronoun. Select a personal pronoun that agrees with the subject of each sentence. For example, the group has dash meaning a meeting here. Means group के लिए कौन सा pronoun use होगा? Its. Then we have anyone can get dash name in the news. Anyone can get one's name. कि कोई भी अपना नाम जो है वो देख सकता है. None of the checks were cashed. They finally expired. Checks के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे they. My mother and her sister took dash vacation together. Now we are talking about mother and her sister. So this is third person plural and we will use their. All are welcome. Dash just need to call for direction to the party. We just need. Students, then we have Venus and Mars. Now two planets are mentioned and we will use their orbits nearer to the earth than to the other planets. So students, you will fill in the blanks of the 6, 7 and 8 sentence. Then we have degrees of adjective. Degrees of adjective. There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. Positive is the simple degree in which some quality is mentioned, and in comparative degree there is a comparison between two objects, living or non-living. Then we talk about superlative, that is the highest of all. Means in superlative degree the highest quality or the best thing is discussed. For example, we can say Ali is a tall boy. Here positive degree is used. Then we say Ali is taller than his brother. Now taller is the comparative. There is a comparison made between two brothers. Then we say Ali is the tallest boy of his family. Means पूरी फैमिली में से अली सबसे लंबा है. तो अब क्या है कि पूरी फैमिली में से सबसे जो लंबा है, सबसे ज़्यादा जो क्वालिटी जिसमें पाई जाती है उसकी बात हो रही है. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव एन एक्सरसाइज. इन दिस एक्सरसाइज यू आर टू यूज़ द डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. माई फैमिली एंड आई वेंट टू विजिट मरी लास्ट समर. Of all the summers I have had, I would say that this was the best summer ever. Students, when we use the superlative degree, it is necessary to use the before the superlative form. In Murray, we enjoyed the horse ride. I rode a horse that ran faster and faster on the hills. जो कि ऊपर और ऊपर चलता जा रहा था. So students, the rest of the sentences you will do yourself. Then we have order of adjective. Students, if in a sentence we have more than one adjective, two adjective, three adjective, means हम एक या दो से ज़्यादा हमारे पास adjectives आ रहे हैं, तो इस सूरत हाल में हम उनको किस ऑर्डर में रखेंगे. मीन्स कौन सी खूबी पहले बयान की जाएगी, उसके बाद कौन सी बयान की जाएगी, फिर उसके बाद. सो where a number of adjectives are used together, the order depends on the function of the adjectives. Means कि वो किस तरह से काम कर रहे हैं. First of all we will use वैल्यू मीन्स अगर किसी चीज़ की वैल्यू बयान की जा रही है वो एडजेक्टिव सबसे पहले आएगा। उसका साइज़ बयान किया जा रहा है, छोटा है बड़ा है, उसके बाद आएगा। इसके बाद उसकी एज या टेम्परेचर जो है वो तीसरे नंबर पे आएगा। देन शेप, कलर, ओरिजिन एंड मटेरियल मीन्स इस तरतीब से वो एडजेक्टिव जो हैं वो यूज़ किए जाएंगे। सो स्टूडेंट्स, you will fill the next exercise according to this table. Then we have adjective phrase. As we all know, phrase is a group of words that has no definite meaning. Means incomplete sentence जो है वो होता है। ये मीन्स ये कभी भी सेंटेंस नहीं होता बल्कि सेंटेंस का हिस्सा हो सकता है। सेंटेंस इसको हम नहीं कह सकते लेकिन सेंटेंस में इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज बी यानी किसी सेंटेंस का हिस्सा तो हो सकती है लेकिन मुकम्मल सेंटेंस नहीं, लेकिन ये काम एडजेक्टिव का ही करेगी। एन एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट फंक्शंस लाइक एन एडजेक्टिव। For example, the black umbrella is mine. Students, here black is talking about umbrella, so black umbrella would be the black umbrella is adjective phrase. The umbrella with the broken handle. With the broken handle means ये उसकी खसूसियत है, इसकी मॉडिफिकेशन है कि वो टूटी हुई है। So this will be the adjective phrase. Students, then we have future indefinite tense. Students, future indefinite tense is the tense in which an action will be performed. We talk about the action that will be performed in the coming time, in future. So what will we use for it? Will and be going to. Be means is, am, are, was, were, had been. But here we will use, it is the base form of all these, but here it will be used for future. So let's see the exercise. There is sentence number 1. We don't have any bread. I know. I am going to get some from the shop. यानी मैं दुकान से लेने जा रहा हूँ, लाने वाला हूँ। मीन्स वो लाया नहीं है, ये काम हुआ नहीं है, ना ही हो रहा है। ये काम जो है बी गोइंग टू के होने वाला है, मैं लाने वाला हूँ। रियली आई विल गेट सम फ्रॉम द शॉप देन मीन्स तब मैं भी ले लूँगा। स्टूडेंट्स, then we have, why do you need to borrow my suitcase? I am going to visit my mother in Multan next month. क्योंकि अगले माह मैं अपनी वालदा से मिलने मुल्तान जाने वाला हूँ। So students, you will fill the rest of the sentences by using will or going to. That the meaning of the both are almost same, means both indicate the future. So this was our lecture for today. Listen to it carefully. Thank you so much.